Hi buddy, welcome to this video. In this video, we'll be seeing some free online courses related to user interface and user experience. That is basically UI UX design courses. So without wasting any more time, let's get started now. First course is product design, and this course is offered by Google, and this course is hosted on Udacity website. And this is a free course, and the duration taken to complete this course is generally 2 months, and this is an intermediate level course, and this course is taught by industry experts. So you are going to learn from the experts in Google, and you have a very rich learning content in this course, and it's a self-paced course, and you also have interactive quizzes between the course chapters. And here are the instructors for this course, Chris and Amir, and this is what you will be learning in this course. So you have 4 lessons basically. Lesson 1 is all about ideation and validation, lesson 2 is UI UX, and lesson 3 is design sprint, lesson 4 is all about key metrics. To enroll in this course, you just need a Udacity account. So what you can do is you can click on get started and create your own Udacity account and log into your account. And once you log in, you can click on start free course button here and enroll in this product design course for free and start learning it. I hope you will enjoy this course because it is by Google. The content will be very good. So this is the first one. Let's move on to the next one, which is digital skills user experience. And this course is offered by Accenture, and this course is hosted on Future Learn website, and this is also a free course, and once you complete this course you will also get a free certificate, digital upgrade free. So that means you will get a free certificate after completing this course, and it's a 100% online course, and you will have to spend around 2 hours per week for 3 weeks to complete this course. And let's see what you will be learning in this course. Let's go to topics, and these are the things. In first week you will be learning why is user experience important, and in week 2 you have user experience basics, and in week 3 you have tools and testings. Tools and testing. And to enroll in this course for free, what you need is you just need a Future Learn account. So click on register here and create your Future Learn account and log into your account, and once you are logged in, click on the join now button and enroll in this digital skills user experience course for free. So this is the second course, and the third one is a very big bonus for you. The bonus is you can get any UI UX design course in Edonix e-learning website for free. I'm going to tell you how, but before that, let's see some courses here. So you have UI UX bundle, Adobe XD Masterclass UI UX design from scratch, learn to design app UI UX with Figma. There are a lot of courses. Now I'll tell you how you can get these courses for free. So I'll give you a unique link in description, and if you use that link, you will be going to this Infinity subscription plan page in Edonix. And if you use that special link and sign up in Edonix, you will get 1 month free trial. Usually in Edonix you will get only 7 days free trial, but if you use the special link in description and sign up in Edonix, you will get 1 month free trial. So basically you are getting this monthly plan for free and saving 500 rupees. And with this offer you can get any course in Edonix for free and complete it and also get your certificate. I hope you will use this offer for UI UX design courses. So this is how you need to get the courses in UI UX subject for free in Edonix. So let's move on to the next one, which is Learn UI Design Fundamentals. And this course is offered by Scrimba. And this course is taken by Gary Simpson, and already 19,850 students have already enrolled in it. And this is an intermediate level course. And here it is what you will be learning in this course. So you have 15 chapters in this course. You have some design challenges as well in between the courses. And you will be building these things in this course. Your sales dashboard, email form, color picker. So these are the things that you'll be building in this course. So these are the practical learning you have in this course. So to get this course for free, what you have to do is you have to create a account in Scrimba. So what you need to do is you click on sign up here, and I don't know if you are seeing this form here. Give your email ID, name, and create a password and create a Scrimba account. And once you are done, just log into your account and then click on unlock course button here and enroll in this Learn UI Design Fundamentals course for free. And I hope you will also enjoy this course as well. Let's move on to the next one, which is UX Fundamentals course. And this course is offered by Gymnasium. And there are 6 lessons in this course. Lesson 1 is Welcome to UX Fundamentals. Lesson 2 is Take You Out of the User. Lesson 3 is Wireframes and Prototypes. Make your content make sense. Best practices watching users. So you have 6 different lessons in this course, and it is taken by Jim Webb, who's a web developer. And as I said, this is a free course in Gymnasium. What you need to do is simply click on get started and create your account in Gymnasium, and then enroll in this course for free and learn UX for free. Now let us move on to the next course, which is offered by University of Michigan. The course name is Introduction to User Experience Principles and Processes. This course is also hosted on FutureLearn website. This is also a free course. You have to spend around 3 hours for 6 weeks to complete it, but you won't get a free certificate. And let's see the topics that will be covered in this course. What is UX? What are UX research and design? UX design overview. How do people perceive information? And there are a lot of things that you'll be learning. And one more important thing that you need to notice in this course is, as we are using the free plan in FutureLearn website, you will get access to this course only for 8 weeks after enrollment. So once you enroll in this course, try to complete it before 8 weeks, that is approximately 2 months, but you will complete it even before that, because this is just a 6-week course. So I hope you will find this video useful. To get more free online courses, what you can do is you can visit AnswersQ website. Once you are there in the homepage, click on free courses. You will see some platforms like Udemy, LinkedIn Learning, Amazon. If you want, you can explore any platform that you like and see what courses they are offering for free. You can simply click on the platform and see the courses. And if you want to know about job updates, you can go to jobs page and see the job updates in this page. To get more updates about free online courses, job updates, internships, workshops, everything, just subscribe to AnswersQ and press the bell icon so that you will get a notification whenever I upload a video. And you can also connect with me on social media networks like Instagram. I'll give you all the link in description. Do check it out.